The doors on the V8, are they high? I don't know. I don't know. The largest in the world? I don't think they're the largest in the world. I knew it took a while. I didn't know they were the largest, and I was thinking of each one individually, but when the whole roll-up door, yes, I would imagine it is. But wow, so if I had a piece of paper, I'd be able to do a lot better on this one. I would imagine if your average elephant weighs about 1 ton, I'm guessing 325 elephants. My favorite space movie is easily my favorite movie of all time, which is The Right Stuff. And if you haven't seen that movie, get thee to a DVD player or something and you go watch that movie and you'll find out why Kennedy Space Center is the home of The Right Stuff and why it's so cool around here. Well, my favorite astronaut of all time, that's a tough one. I really like Neil Armstrong. He's incredibly cool and brave and smart and humble, but I also like John Young, because John Young flew in Gemini, he walked on the moon, he commanded the very first shuttle flight, so here's the guy who's really done it all, and oh by the way, just like me, he went to Georgia Tech. My biggest hero is definitely Neil Armstrong. This guy, I don't imagine what more you could have done in life than what he did. First man to walk on the moon, incredibly cool under pressure, very smart, very humble, very quiet. When he was done being an astronaut and he did his year-long tour after that, he went back to Ohio and became a college professor because that's what really inspired him to go do that sort of thing. So, really cool guy. Miss you, Neil. How many ping pong balls? So this is a tactic you use when you don't know the answer. You repeat the question and it gives you time to think. I really don't know. I know the number has got to be in the billions. What I'm very certain of is that there was an individual with a little too much free time on their hands to go calculate such a thing. 250 billion? Holy cow. I don't even know if 250 billion have ever been made in the history of mankind.